Hello and welcome back to another episode of Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe for you, so stay tuned. First, I want to dedicate this video to my sister Joy, who got me the cookware that will be featured in this video. Thank you very much. I love you dearly, and stay tuned. It's going to be good. Alright, as you can see, we're doing pork chop today. We're going to sear this up. And we're going to put this together with some asparagus and roasted pepper sauce. So here it goes. Okay, I've got my saute pan here on medium-high heat. We'll go in with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I've got our pork chop here, seasoned with cracked black pepper and kosher salt, so we'll go ahead and get that in. We're going to let this go for about 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to go ahead and season this other side here. Kosher salt, cracked black pepper. Like so. Alright, it's about 5 minutes in. These are a good inch or so thick, so these are going to take a while to cook. So we're ready to go ahead and give it a flip. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. So we're going to let this go on this side for about 5 minutes. Alright, this other side's been going for about 5 minutes. You can see how that is there. You can see how thick that is. Like I said, it's good an inch thick or so. But what I'm going to do is reduce the heat to medium, and then we're going to put a lid on it and let it sit for another 5 to 8 minutes with a lid on to finish cooking through the center. So the lid's on medium heat, and we'll let it sit another 5 to 8 minutes. Alright, our pork chop has been going for about additional 7 minutes. So you can see it looks like we're done here. So I'm going to go ahead and reserve that off to the side on a plate. Look at that. Gorgeous. Anyway, we'll set that to the side, and we'll go ahead and go in here with our asparagus. Got some nice hearty stalks here, and we still got it on medium heat. We'll go ahead and hit our asparagus with a little bit of salt and some additional cracked black pepper, like so. And we'll add a little water to this. Just a dash like so, and then we'll let it go for about 3 minutes or so. Now I let the asparagus go for about a minute or so, and then I put the lid on, and we'll let it go for another couple minutes. Alright, after a couple minutes, we're ready to remove our lid, and we're ready to plate this up. So let's go ahead and get this out of there and get ready to eat. Doesn't that look good? Anyway, there is the final dish. It is Paulie's roasted pepper sauce, pork chop, and asparagus with some Parmigiano Reggiano on top, and some basil garnish there. So good. Gorgeous, I tell you. Check out the description box below for the recipe for my roasted red pepper sauce. Bon appetit. You'll enjoy it, I guarantee you. See you next time at Slaughter Food Creations. And like, subscribe. See you next time.